Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Monarch Money for investment tracking sync detailed guide step by step. To start using Monarch Money for investment tracking, visit the Monarch Money website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your information, click Create Account. Check your email for a verification link from Monarch Money. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, log in to your new Monarch Money account. Upon logging in, you will see a dashboard inviting you to add your investments. Select the Add Investment Account option. You will be provided with a list of popular investment platforms for syncing. Choose your investment platform from the list. Enter your login credentials for that investment platform. Ensure that you use the correct username and password for successful syncing. Once credentials are entered, click Connect. Monarch Money will then initiate the connection to your investment account. This process may take a few moments. After the sync is complete, your investment data will be imported into Monarch Money. Review your investment information to ensure accuracy. You can categorize and track your investments directly from the dashboard. Explore the additional features for budgeting and financial planning as needed. Make sure to regularly sync your account to keep your investment data updated. Using Monarch Money will allow you to have a comprehensive overview of your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.